Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my channel Travel with Sobia Jib, where we post about Canadian immigration and our life in Canada vlogs. So this is the pasta plus lasagna. Made this the night before. Yesterday we had dinner with this, and the leftovers we are eating for lunch, and then we'll head out for IKEA because yeah, the kids get really hungry if we go without eating anything. Last time someone commented that I don't show the real struggles of Canadian life. This is the real struggle. Day is, it's very hot today. I don't know why. After quite a few days, weeks, I would say 2 weeks of 2, 3 degrees, 4 degrees. Today we have almost, I think it's 18 to 20 degrees today, or probably it's 16, 17. We are not wearing our jackets or sweaters. It's a pleasant weather today, and it's Saturday. We are going to IKEA because IKEA closes at 9 p.m. Yeah, my husband had his dentist appointment in the morning, so he was there. क्या चाहिए उसको? This is IKEA Canada. We are here for some home shopping plus kitchen shopping. As you all know from my previous vlog that I'm looking for a dinnerware set. So after doing a lot of online research and I would say online window shopping, we came to realize that IKEA is our place to go. We have so many memories of IKEA UAE because every bit of furniture in our UAE home was from IKEA and Home Center, a little bit from Home Center. But I literally used to live in both these places when we were in UAE because I just love IKEA furniture. The way that you are living here with kids or there, it's really easy. It's so easy that once you set up your furniture, it's lightweight, it's handy to move around, and you can easily, if you are shifting houses, obviously by the time we buy a house of our own, this is going to be our, we don't know, for the next 3 4 years, 5 years, or maybe earlier, inshallah. So let's see. The only problem with IKEA is that you have to set up your own furniture. For example, dining table or chairs or a bedroom set or anything, like, you have to set it up yourself. But it comes with a kit, the whole instruction manual and the keys, and you really don't find it a problem if you are curious and adventurous like my husband, because I used to hate these things in the beginning, but after living with him for a few years, I came to know that okay, fine, he loves IKEA, he has no issues in building up the furniture, so I was perfectly fine with that. Here I found some cups, very cheap. It was like $2, whereas in Dollarama also you get something for $3, I think, a mug. So it's better to get something, decent and elegant with a good design, the design that you like. I really liked these cute storage boxes, which you can keep in your wardrobe or you can keep under the bed. And they were really sturdy, thick plastic material. And you can keep your jewelry in this, or you can keep your other stuff, probably socks and things like that. You can keep them separate. So I'm going to buy that next time. These are a must in our house with 3 kids. These are so good. These are plastic bowls, plates, spoons, forks, and butter knives. They're so useful in my house. I already had this bright colored set, but now this time we found new colors, so we definitely went with the light pastel ones. They were so cute, and it was only $2. So my husband wanted a pillow for himself, so we got one because it was actually we wanted something very firm and which does not, squish with time. They do, obviously, all of them do, but not so soon. These are the rugs that I found in IKEA, and the proper ones they started from $60. So because I never came to IKEA for rugs, and but then we when we saw the prices, these are good prices, and I'm looking for a smaller one, but a bright colored one that can actually, I can keep that in my living room. There are so many different, I would say, choices that we are making with the kids, keeping the kids in mind, because we are not keeping a light colored sofa in our home, at least for now, till the kids are, at least the youngest one is 5 years old. And rugs also, I am looking for a brighter colored one, because that is how it is with kids. They are like, they spill everything, they make a mess, they sit there, they eat there, they literally live on the sofas and the carpets. So the best part about this self-scanning, self-checkout, whatever you can call this, was this part, because I really hate standing in the lines after a long day of shopping inside IKEA, or at least, roaming around in IKEA. So I'll show you what we got. We finally bought this dinnerware set, and there was actually mix and match. We have always kept plain, I would say, the beige colored ones and the gray ones in UAE. So we really wanted a change from that typical set that we used to have. And the best part is, whenever you break the sets, you can always buy one or two extra pieces, three pieces, whatever. You can buy a number of it, because they are not fixed sets. You can always take set for three, or set of 6 or 8 or 10 or 12, whatever. And whenever you break anything in between, you can always come and buy more.
Yeah. So there's a lot of people that you can see over here. And plates that we buy. So got two cups and Isa. I have a too. Ansa, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
For trips like these, where we have to go in the mall or we have to walk a lot, I really miss having two strollers, like a double stroller for these kids, because for people under who have two kids under 3, they really make a good use of a double stroller. So I'm looking for one, and let's see what I get. Please like and subscribe our channel Travel with Sobia Jib, and thank you so much for watching.